Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Face ID on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to set up the face recognition feature, we need to go to the settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. If you have passcode, then you will need to enter it over here. And after that, you should be able to find Setup Face ID. If you press it, then you want to position your face in the camera frame, the front camera of course, and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. So press get started, put your face within the frame, and then continue with the instructions. If you want to, you can also use Face ID with a mask. If you decide to do so, then you can press use Face ID with a mask. Or if not, then you can just choose to not to. So you can press don't use Face ID with a mask instead. And there we go. Face ID is now set up, so we can press done. And there we go. That's pretty much all you need to do. If you want later on to add another face data, then you have set up an alternative appearance. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.